In this video, you will learn how to find fashion forecasting information regarding menswear in WGSN. From the WGSN homepage, navigate to the Men menu. As you note, this content is divided into several different categories. For all of these categories, you can find content related to menswear, but the best way to use this for future forecasting information is to focus on the Future Strategies menu here on the left, and the second menu, which is Categories. Taking a look first at the Future Strategies menu, if we click on a season, so this is Autumn-Winter 2019-2020, we'll be taken to the Future Strategies content for that season. Now you can see here at the top that it's showing us which filters we have selected. So our selected filters currently are Future Strategies, Men, and the season Autumn-Winter 2019-2020. We could change any of this either by going back to the menu where we started or by clicking the X on any of the filters to remove that filter. We can also clear all filters by clicking the Clear link here. Now, you'll see that we found 95 results, so you may or may not want to look at each of them, but it's important to understand what the different options are. There are many different types of results and reports that are returned from this sort of search in WGSN. Looking at these titles, you'll see that they have everything from commercial color update to specific design developments for pieces such as trousers. They also have information that is at a higher level. So you can see down a little bit further, they have information about things like what graphics are going to be like, what the embellishments are going to be like, what knitwear will be for that season. And going even further, they have other things like accessories and more. All of this content leads to additional reports. So clicking on one of these links brings us to a report on this topic. These reports are a bit like electronic books, and they go into more depth about specific subsections of the market. Clicking on this link will flip you to the next page, and will show you different design elements that they think are important. They'll tell you why that they think it's key, and they'll also tell you when precisely they think that this trend will be important. As you can see, they'll have flats included sometimes as well. Another type of report that they have is the more general, what type of theme will there be for the season report. So these key directions reports, as they're called, will offer insights into what the major ideas or concepts and conceptual themes for the season will be. These often have inspirational images in addition to images of specific design features, and will have a little bit more text generally explaining why they see this as what's coming. This is also a good place to find colors and palettes. And when they include these, you'll note that they also include the Pantone number for those colors, which makes it very easy to work with. Another way to find menswear, going back to the Men menu, is to go by category. So if you are specifically an activewear designer, you can find information about activewear by clicking on that category. Rather than taking you to a specific season, this will instead take you to all of the content that WGSN has available regarding men's activewear. Now, as you will note, some of this content contains both men's and women's wear, because the main feature is to include everything that touches upon men's activewear. And you'll see that this time we've returned 243 results. Scrolling down, you can see that they have everything from how is coronavirus impacting design to topics like sustainability and innovation. And all of these reports they've designated as touching on activewear, even if that's not the main topic at hand. They will also have specific reports about activewear. So you'll see here, men's active apparel. What are the key items for autumn-winter 2021-2022? This area is a great resource for anybody who focuses in a particular category within the menswear market. You can also click on men specifically to take yourself to a page where you will have everything related to menswear. This page will have everything that touches on menswear, so some of it may not be relevant, but if you want to get a sense for every single item that they have available, and you'll see that that's over 7,000 items, you can click simply on men and be taken to all of that content in one place. If you have questions on this or anything else, please ask the library.